You may recognize this. You may saw this in Peru. It's the Chacana or the Andean cross. And this one is the one we call San Andean cross. It has three sides on each end. 3 times 4, 12. It's more like a yearly calendar. But if you look those crosses there, they have an extra step. If you count the outside and the inside angles, it will count 7. Especially you can notice on the upper side of the doors, just the upper side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4, 28. That's supposed to be the 28 days of the woman's cycle, more like a monthly calendar or moon calendar. And the Andean cross itself is divided in two sides. The upper side is called the spiritual side, female side, Moon Island. The bottom side is the physical side, male side, or Sun Island. Okay? So pretty much it was a very spiritual side. And I don't know if